This is a 2010 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Features include a multi-link rear suspension, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, a 4-wheel independent suspension, 17-inch wheels, a passenger side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Please call us today for more information on this great vehicle.
Woltz & Wind Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2100 Washington Pike in Heidelberg.